Hi friends, in previous videos we have installed Power BI, made our first Power BI project with sample data, and then in 2 quick sessions we have learned about the basics of data modeling. If you have missed any of these topics, please check my playlist and go through these topics. Step by step we are going towards new visuals, and gradually we will start making more complex data models, and our target is to develop our own financial dashboard. Today we will learn how to make decomposition tree chart. Decomposition tree is a very powerful chart that helps you in root cause analysis and storytelling. Let's move to my screen. Let's add decomposition tree from visuals area and place it in main report area. Size it according to your need. Oh, I forgot to add a title to our report. Let's first add a title to our report. Set the font size and color according to your choice. Please subscribe my channel so that you can get notification of all new videos. Let's add our channel logo too. Now open the sheet 1 and select which field you want to analyze. In this case we want to analyze sales. Now select how sales should be explained. So in this case we want that our sales should be explained by country, segment, product, and at last by year. Press the plus sign and start adding the explain by field in order of your choice. With column headers you can see a padlock sign it, press it. Now your column titles are locked and they will not disappear. Let's play with chart and see how it functions. Isn't it a beautiful chart? I hope you liked it and will use it in your next review with your manager or client. Please try it and share your comments. Please like and subscribe my channel. I have received a request to make sales storyline, so wait for my next video.